Good morning, traders. This is Ed Carter with Trader Vision 2020 and the featured trade idea, setup and trade plan for Monday, July 16th, 2018. Today's featured trade idea will be Manitowoc MTW. As you can see, MTW has been forming a rounded bottom breakout, putting in a nice bottoming pattern here, something like this over the last several months. Get this out of the way so we can see. And then on Friday it put in a bullish engulfing signal, a strong bullish engulfing signal, taking out a couple of potential resistance lines here and closing up above that second one. We'll be looking for an entry above Friday's close, so positive trading, with a stop down here midway on Friday's candle, which is right in below support across here, across the bottom of those candles, out here and there. I guess let me just draw a line. So something like this, off of a line like that, to provide some protection for that stop. So first protection from this resistance area that was broken Friday, second from that line that I just drew. Our first target will be up here at these highs, which also match up off of the weekly chart. And then that second target will be up here off this second potential resistance line. Going back to the weekly, that then matches up pretty nicely with where the 200 will be about that time. So let's see if we can't put together a trade plan. Looks like it's got earnings probably the end of the first week of August. We've got that bullish engulfing candle. We've got sort of a J hook here, a little bit deep, but it's also a rounded bottom breakout. Lots of other bullish factors going our way. Let's see if we can't do this as a one entry, two exit plan. So let's do 27.35. So yeah, 7 cents above where we closed on Friday, something like that. I'm sorry. Let's call that 27.40. I was mixing up my numbers. And stop down here around 26.75. First target up here around 30 bucks, and the second target up here around 32.35. It says we can do 230 shares. Let's see what 200 shares does for us on this account size. Yeah, it's pretty steep. So let's knock that down to 150. Let's see where that puts us. 150 is a more logical number here, 4% of the account. Let's see, if we sold 75 shares at that first target, we'd make just under 200 bucks, giving us 4 to 1. If we had to sell the entire position there, we could in fact make 9.5% and make our trade goal on the trade. So we're risking just under 100 bucks for a chance to make almost 400 bucks, giving us 4 to 1. And if we were able to get past that first target and move on to the second target, we would be looking at a very nice 5.8 to 1, giving us overall $566 in profit, well over our trade goal of 350. So that will be our trade idea for today. Please evaluate MTW against your view of the market, your trading rules and criteria, as well as your own trading style. If you do decide to take this trade, we wish you the best of luck. Remembering those earnings coming up in probably 3 or 4 weeks. But whether you take it or not, we wish you the best of luck in trading Monday. and we hope to see you in the trading room.